Jai Hind, dear students. Let's start our new topics: entrepreneurial values, attitudes, and motivation. First, we discussing about the term values. Value means the set of beliefs that provide standards which guide behavior is known as values. Value determines what people consider to be good or bad for a civilized society. Milton Rockage has defined value as beliefs that guide actions and judgment across a variety of situations. Various authors give different definitions regarding the values. As a person, the value is a very important thing to guide their behavior. The values may be good or bad for a civilized society. Honesty, truthfulness, integrity provide standards which guide the behavior, the manner in which business affairs should be conducted. In our personal life, value creates a good image to us. As the part of entrepreneurship, the entrepreneurial values, they are known as core values. In core values, there is three important factors. What are they? Action factors, personality factors, environment factors. These three factors are interconnected and interlinked to successful creation of a core value. Action factors are those which arise due to action of others. Personality factors, these factors depend upon the personality of an entrepreneur. Environment factors, these factors arise out of the environment in which an entrepreneur operates. The combination of three factors creates an entrepreneurial values. As a person has some core values, also the entrepreneur has certain core values for successful running of their business. What are the core values? First one, innovation and creativity, independence or self-reliance, respect for work. Fourth one, cost for understanding the performance or achievement orientation. First core value is innovation and creativity. Creativity is an ability to see new ways of doing things. Innovativeness is the ability to make it work in practice. Creative ideas, new products, service, process solve specific problem of a society. Experimenting with new ideas, for example, introduction of debit and credit card in the banking sector. These are the innovative techniques adopted by the entrepreneurs. Facing the uncertainty in order to try out the new ideas, not giving up, becoming upset when errors occur, finding the problem to solve, finding a new use of existing methods or equipment, demonstrating originality, introducing changes, introducing gas cylinders for cooking, providing critical inputs for new idea, providing evaluation of proposed idea. In a next core value is that independence or ownership, or otherwise known as self-reliance. Entrepreneurs give great satisfaction in their sense of independence or ownership. They all have very strong and positive ego drive which enables them to define their mission and achieve the goals of an organization. For example, in his Quest of Independence, Dhirubhai Ambani gave up his job in Yemen and returned back to the India to start own business. So, the mission leads to a clear vision, commitment, sincerity, and hard work. The example of village boy started a coaching center, also an example of independence or ownership, self-reliance. Next core value is that respect for work. The entrepreneurs have great respect for their work. They are very hardworking, they have sincerity, and they have dedication. The entrepreneurs should have the great respect for their work. Successful entrepreneurs believe that they can achieve anything through hard work. Next core value is that cost for excellence performance. The dynamic entrepreneurs are guided by the value of outstanding performance. The challenges seem to stimulate and motivate the entrepreneurs. Strong motivation is to be succeed. For example, Steve Jobs always believed in outstanding performance. When Apple phone was launched, he took a great care to make the package eco-friendly and lightweight with the 3D images on it. For core values, there is a 4 core value. What are they? Innovation and creativity, independence and ownership, respect for work, cost for outstanding performance. Next we are discussing about the term attitude. Attitude may be defined as the way of a person feels about something, a person, a place, a commodity, a situation, on idea. Attitude constitute an important psychological attributes of individual which shape their behavior. What are the features of attitudes? Affects behavior. It is invisible. Attitudes are acquired. Attitudes are pervasive. First one, attitude affects the behavior. The people have natural tendency to maintain the consistency between attitude and behavior. In the absence of external intervention, attitude leads to intended behavior. Next one, it is an invisible. Attitude is basically a psychological phenomena which cannot be directly observed. Attitudes are acquired. Attitudes is generally learned from or acquired over a period of time. Attitudes are pervasive. Attitude has their presence felt in all aspects of society. It is formed in the process of socialization. Next one, sources of attitude, or how entrepreneur identify the different types of attitudes. There is 3 ways the entrepreneur has to identify the attitudes. Direct experience. The quality of a person direct experience with the attitudes of object determines his or her attitude towards it. For example, if a worker finds his job changing the supervisors, understanding the core workers very cooperative, then he will have to positive attitude towards his job because the quality of direct experience with the job. Second one, group discussion or group associations. People have influence on the degree or another by other members or a group which they belong. Several groups are formed: entrepreneurs, family, work, and peer groups, and cultural and subcultural groups are important for affecting the attitude of a personal development. Next one, influential others. A person's attitude can be formed and changed through personal contact with influential of persons such as friends, relatives, experts, and celebrities. For example, Kareena Kapoor using the Head and Shoulders shampoo for the dandruff problem. As you know, the entrepreneur have different types of competencies. They also have a very good sense of attitude. Then only he can solve the problems in business. So we next discussing about the essential attitudes of an entrepreneur. First one, have passion for the business. An entrepreneur should have a passion for his business which will help them to overcome the difficult moment, generate trust among the people. Next one, set an example of trustworthiness. People have confidence in trustworthy individuals and want to work for them in a culture of integrity. So, an entrepreneur should be and trustworthy. Be flexible and expect with the core values. The flexibility is an important success of today's dynamic environment, so plan strategies are bound to be changed with the challenging times. However, no matter what pressure for immediate profits, an entrepreneur should try to compromise on core values. Don't let fear of failure hold me back. Failure is an opportunity to learn. All things being unequal, so the entrepreneur must accept the failure in business. Next one, make timely decision. An entrepreneur should always take timely decision based on his situations. Next one, the major company asset is oneself. One should take care oneself. One's health is more valuable than most expensive machinery or computer software in business. Keep one's ego under control. An entrepreneur should not believe in show off. He should not spend his profits on expensive gadgets to impress the others. Next one, believe in oneself. One needs to believe in oneself. It is one's company and that one will be successful. Encourage and accept criticism, graciously admitting on mistake. Entrepreneurs have the human beings. They are bound to make the mistakes. However, they should learn to admit their mistakes. Maintaining a strong work ethics. An entrepreneur should be a first follow and maintain strong work ethics. Only then the employees will follow to lead. Rebound quickly from setbacks. There surely will be penalty of plenty of up and downs as one will work their business. Learn from the setbacks and more on. Periodically getting out of one's comfort zone of pressure something important. Many times one feels uncomfortable while implementing a needed changes in the technology, people, mission, competition, etc. I hope all of you understand the concepts.